guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Amal, and in this video I'm going to be giving you guys a little tour of a build that I did. So sorry for not posting yesterday. First of all, I post every day, at least I try to. I couldn't post yesterday because this build took a lot of time, and the reason is I did everything wrong and then I had to start over from scratch. But we're not going to talk about that. I'm going to show you guys the final result and the tour. Also, this build is inspired by It's Sugar Coffee, so credits to her. And it's inspired by my dream pets, the Shadow Dragon and the Bad Dragon. But this build specifically is for the Bad Dragon, because you guys know how much I love the Bad Dragon. It's so cute. Okay, now let's start. Okay, so I'm at my 96-day login streak. I'm only 4 days away from my 100, and I'm really happy about that. So yeah, so what happens is when you first walk into the house, okay, it's glitched again. Okay, if you first walk into the house, on the left side there's like this little couch and like a little chair area with pillows, and why can't I know? Okay, yeah. There's like this window. I tried to make it like a creepy and like a scary thing. In case you guys didn't know, I love creepy and scary things. So yeah, I can't even speak right now. Okay, there's like this table made out of bricks, and there is like a television. Why does this always happen to me? Like seriously, did it had to do that? I don't know why it always happens. Whenever I'm recording, I just have to exit my home, guys. Comment down below if you think that's annoying as well. I think it's so annoying. Okay, yeah. So can you guys see the it's glitched. Can you guys see the detailing on the wall? Okay, and let me show it to you guys. Give me a sec. Okay, so on the left side, the right side, there's like this little pet area where your pet can sleep. It can eat, it can drink water. It's like basically a pet area. In case you guys didn't see, I tried to give it like a creepy look, like this is like a cave look. I'm pretty sure guys can see that because of the brick. The bricks are like in the shape. It looks like a creepy cave, and I like the white trees. I think it looks really cool. Okay, so the best part is then when you go here, you can actually sit in here. That's so cool. And your pet can also sit in here. It looks so cute. I love it. And also guys, can you imagine this is a bad dragon? That would be really helpful. Okay, so here it's written pumpkin, because if I get a bad dragon, I'll name it pumpkin, and that just happened again. I just had to exit my house at the time when I was speaking off. I'm so angry about that. Okay, yeah. So as I was saying, I will name it pumpkin because I think that's such a cute name, and it fits perfectly for a bad dragon because it's like the Halloween theme and like the scary, the creepy. The bad dragon is not creepy. It's so cute. Okay, yeah. So this was the detailing I was talking about. I tried to make it like, can you guys see these trees? I tried to give it like a fang type look, like they are creepy fangs or teeth or anything what you want to call. And the best part is like the pet area can sleep. Okay, so when you start here, when you go to the left side, this is how it looks like. There's like this little bath area where you can take a bath. I don't know where else to put it, so I just put it right here. I think it looks so good, like it's meant to be there. I think it's very good. And then there's like this little vanity, and oopsie, I'm stuck. The desk area where you can record videos. You can just sit in here, like the window, the detailing, the candles, and the microphone. I'm used to that. Okay, yeah, I'm dirty. Okay, guys. So then we will move to the best part, the master bedroom. This is like the part of the bedroom. Okay, this is like this little fun area. I tried to make it a vanity, but it's not as vanity type looking. I don't know how to explain it. It's because the bad dragon, it should be scary and creepy. I love that. I love scary and creepy things. I'm pretty sure you guys know that, hopefully. And then we also have let me just climb over the like this little shelf area on I cannot, oh my god. Okay, so it's like this little shelf area where like you can, I don't know, put your random things. And I don't know why this one is covered like this. You can just put your random things there, like some books, a tree, some bottle. In the time for the master bedroom. Here guys, I made a bad dragon out of shapes and sizes. Let me show it to you guys how I did that. I'm not going to show it to you guys. You go to simple shapes, and this I use the disc, the normal disc, not the large one, the bricks. And that's how I made this little bed. You can see it. Okay, it's not for parents, but that's okay. I use for the wings, I use the signs and bricks, and for the face I use symbols. And guys, this was it for the video. Hope you enjoyed. If you did, smash the like button, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Also guys, I would like to say you can take screenshots if you want. It's totally fine if you copy it. Just give credits, okay? And guys, I'll see you guys